to do it on its own.
Yeah, I mean, Veronica, how uniquely significant is Bukele and is El Salvador to President Trump's deportation efforts?
I think it's really important, especially because Trump does not want to clog the immigration courts. He wants people to self-deport. He wants people to be removed quickly. And this is one way that he can do that. The Supreme Court has spoken that the way to challenge this is through individuals bringing forward habeas cases, which can be time consuming, and it must be in the locations where they are currently held. So this will be one stop to the Trump administration. But the problem is that when people are being removed in this way, there's no notice given. And so that may be one of the hurdles that individuals will have in challenging this type of removal.
What do you mean? What is that? What's the biggest hurdle there, other than the obvious?
Well, the fact that people aren't being told when they're being deported to El Salvador or that they are even being deported. And so a lot of people have described this as being disappeared. And so people don't know where their family members are. Lawyers don't know where their clients are until they show up in some type of video in El Salvador.
David, you've been talking to members of the Salvadoran. How unusual is that? And also the cooperation between DHS and State Department, which is the one that's, I guess, revoking these. Is that unusual as well?
I mean, it is usual in the sense that they do work together to make sure that people who have these visas have the same intent. What's unusual is the way that they're going about this to specifically target people for their freedom of speech. And when I was a trial attorney, this case would be the very case that we would grant asylum to. And now we're the ones that are preventing people from speaking their opinions, writing op-eds. And so that is the shift here.
And Julia, meanwhile, a report in the Washington Post said the